Hey everyone, welcome back. I will show you how to turn on dark mode in the Claude app on Android. We will also compare light and system so you know exactly what each option does. This control is built into Claude, so you do not need to search through Android display settings or change every other app. Start on Home, swipe up for the app drawer, find Claude and tap it. From Claude's main screen, tap the three-line menu in the upper left corner. At the bottom of the navigation panel, tap your account row with settings underneath it. Claude opens the settings page. Look near the lower part of the visible list for color mode, above font style. Tap color mode. The sheet gives you three choices: system, light, and dark. First, choose light so the difference is obvious. The sheet closes immediately, the settings background becomes bright, and the color mode row now reads light. This confirms Claude is using its own light appearance. To enable dark mode, tap color mode again and choose dark. Claude switches instantly to a dark background with light text, and the row updates to dark. This app setting changes Claude's appearance without requiring you to change the display theme for the rest of your Android phone. There is also a system option. Open color mode and choose system. Claude will follow your phone's current light or dark appearance. This test phone is using Android's dark theme, so Claude stays dark, but the color mode row changes to system instead of dark. If Android later switches to light, Claude can switch with it, while this option remains selected. If you want Claude to remain dark regardless of the phone theme, open color mode once more and select dark. Return to a new chat and the main interface is visibly dark, including the background, composer, and navigation area. To recap, open Claude, use the three-line menu, tap your account settings row, open color mode, and choose dark for a fixed dark appearance. Choose system only when you want Claude to track Android automatically. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Android tutorials.